And lovely guys, so basically I got some strawberry left over, and look at this, I'm gonna put some strawberry straight inside of my blender, and I'm gonna do simple what you can do at home when you have leftover stuff like this. Alright, got some leftover strawberry and also some leftover blueberry, which you can also use. Alright, so easy and simple. Drop a teaspoon of honey. Just drink a nice lovely shake during the day for lunch. Alright, fill it up with some skim milk. So if say you're at home and you know what I mean, you feel like if you drink something really nice, this coming really handy for you. Alright? Because I didn't wanna mess up my, here it is. Just didn't wanna mess up my, oh, amazing. Look at that. Beautiful. Fantastic and lovely and nice. Alright? Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. Got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming from you. Some strawberry with some semi-skim milk and blueberry with ice. Blend it, drink it for lunch with some honey. Good to go. So enjoy the recipe, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. Bye bye.